Hey everyone, welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. Today, we're tackling something super handy: how to rotate cells in Excel for 2025. Whether you're sprucing up a report, creating dashboards, or just making your spreadsheets look more dynamic, rotating text can take your work to the next level. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Microsoft Excel and load your workbook. Select the cells you want to rotate. That could be a single cell or a whole range. Just click and drag to highlight them. Now, head over to the Home tab on the ribbon menu. Look for the alignment group. It's usually in the middle. There, you'll spot the orientation button. It looks like a little text box with an angle. Click on that drop-down arrow to reveal your options. Excel makes it easy with presets like angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, or rotate text up and down. For example, if you want your text at a 45-degree angle, select Angle Counterclockwise and choose 45 degrees from the sub-menu. Watch how the text tilts instantly. If you need more control, right-click on your selected cells and choose Format Cells from the context menu. In the Format Cells dialog box, switch to the Alignment tab. Here, you can manually enter a specific degree for rotation, anything from -90 to 90 degrees. Hit OK, and voila, your text is customized. One quick tip: after rotating, double-check your spreadsheet's layout. You might need to adjust column widths or row heights to keep everything readable and professional. Remember, while rotating adds flair, overdoing it can make data hard to read, so use it wisely for headers or labels. There you have it. Rotating cells in Excel 2025 is straightforward and powerful. Give it a try on your next project. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.